In this video, let's see the next numerical, that is the third numerical based on the concept of principal value branch. We have already seen two numericals on the same and we have understood how to solve them. Let's get going and started with the next numerical and let's know how to solve it. The numerical is what? Let's read it together. The numerical says find the principal value branch of tan inverse sine minus pi by 2. So the question is of tangent inverse, but it is a hybrid question as it involves one more concept that you need to know what is the value of sine of minus pi by 2. So let's solve it. Sine of minus pi by 2 is what? Sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. So it is minus sine theta minus sine pi by 2. What is sine pi by 2? That is sine 90 degrees, which is minus 1, minus of 1. Sine 90 is 1, 1 is as it is, minus is there. Now minus 1 is obtained. What about the next thing? The next thing is to use this value of sine minus pi by 2 in the question. The question is what? The question is tan inverse sine minus pi by 2, which is what? Which is tan inverse as it is. Sine of minus pi by 2. What is the answer of sine of minus pi by 2? It is minus 1. So you put the answer here, minus 1. Now what is tan inverse of minus 1? Tan inverse of minus 1 means what value of tan gives me the answer as minus 1. So the value of tan which gives me the answer as minus 1 and it lies in the principal value branch, which is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 open for tan is what? It is 45 degrees, but 45 degrees is pi by 4 and here it is negative, so it has to be minus pi by 4. Now minus pi by 4, does it lie in this range, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2? Yes, minus pi by 4 belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Hence my answer to the question is what? My answer is equal to minus pi by 4. So in this video, we saw the next numerical problem based on the concept of principal value branch. The question was related to tangent inverse. In the next video, we'll be seeing the next numerical problem on principal value branch.